Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining my presentation. The topic that we are discussing today is the lack of teacher training and implementing new literacies in the classroom setting. As we know, we live in a world in which technology is constantly evolving and changing. Therefore, our students require much more than simple reading and writing skills. Our students need the necessary skills to navigate, analyze, and interpret the information they are receiving online. However, the issue seems to be is that teachers lack the confidence and the necessary skills to integrate these new literacies in the classroom. So let's begin by discussing what are new literacies. New literacies are digital, media, and information literacy. These are the skills needed to navigate, locate, and analyze online resources. More importantly, for our students to critically interact and engage with online platforms. Why is this important? New literacies are important for student engagement, moreover, for their academic success. This is an integral part for how our students understand, interpret, and communicate the ideas and information they are receiving. New literacies also foster critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. This is based on our instructional practices, incorporating projects that our students might be working on with their peers and producing their ideas. New literacies are also a lifelong skills. It contributes to how they perform academically, also in the future with their job demands and active citizenship, communicating and producing their ideas. So, what is the issue at hand? The issue at hand is that teachers lack the sufficient training in implementing these new literacies in their practice. Many have reported feeling unprepared due to professional development being perceived as inconsistent and outdated. So, what are research findings saying about this issue? In one source, a TPAC model was developed, discovering three dimensions of knowledge that are essential to successfully integrate new literacies and technology in the classroom. The first is technological knowledge. This refers to digital tools, media, and platform in which we interact with. The second refers to content knowledge, which refers to the subject matter and the content areas in which we teach. The third refers to pedagogical knowledge, and that refers to the instructional methods that allow us to successfully teach. In another source, research was done at a distance university in Spain, identifying the digital competencies of pre-service and in-service teachers. Two findings were indicated. The first was that pre-service teachers reveal lower levels of digital competency, especially in the case of women. The second was that in-service teachers of English, despite receiving prior training, still required further support and the technical equipment to navigate online successfully. So, what are the recommendations based on the research? In another study that was conducted in South Korea, identifying possible strategies to support teacher confidence and familiarity with digital technology and AI, these five strategies were proposed. The first refers to tiered training support. Tiered training support identifies elementary teachers, their rankings, their duties, and their skill level. The second refers to regional support. This is a unified system to build expertise. The third refers to institution selection. This is the training objectives establishing criteria for selecting and evaluating. The fourth is workforce management. Workforce management is support and the selection of excellent instructors that will be informing our teachers how to successfully integrate new literacies in the classroom. The last one refers to certification support. And this is a system that certifies qualifications for AI and digital teachers. What conclusions can be drawn based on the problem at hand and the research findings? The first conclusion that we know is that new literacies are essential to our modern education, to today's education. Teacher education, teacher training, and education in new literacies is a critical component. however, still left insufficient. As a result of these findings, we know that improved and structured training opportunities alongside systematic and whole support can improve our student outcomes and unlock new possibilities for our students to thrive successfully. Here are a list of my resources that were used to back up my research and my findings. Thank you for watching my presentation.